It is said that cleanliness is godliness. We are all very concerned about keeping our things very clean. Our house, our car, our bodies, etc. We use a body wash, face wash, hair wash, and even a hand wash to clean ourselves. But there is a problem here. Many of us are focused on keeping the outside part of our possessions clean. For example, does your house look like this from outside, but look like this from inside? Your car looks so nice from outside, but it is so dirty from inside. What about our bodies? We take a bath every day to keep our body, skin and hair clean and fresh. But have we ever glanced inside our body to find out what is happening to our different body organs and their cleanliness? The truth is that the different organs in our body have a tendency to gather toxins very quickly. These toxins gather due to a variety of reasons. 1. Improper body metabolism and excretion of waste products from our body. This is called Malakriya in Ayurveda. 2. Ingesting polluted and toxic substances from our food, water and environment. 3. After effects of some illness, when the body becomes weak and does not perform at its normal efficiency. In particular, there are a number of vital body organs that can gather toxins and stop functioning normally, leading to many kinds of problems for us in the long run. Some of the more important organs are 1. Heart. This can get affected by the food we eat and the stress we go through. 2. Stomach and kidney. Our digestive process can get affected by our lifestyle and food habits. 3. Brain. This can get a high level of toxic matter due to the stress in our lives. 4. Liver. The liver is one of the key organs that removes toxins from the body, but at times the liver itself can have toxic substances in it. 5. Pancreas. The producer of insulin and the sugar management process associated with it. So, it is clear that our body is slowly building up toxins every day, which are affecting different vital organs. We take good care of our external body. But how do we cleanse our body from within? Fortunately, there is a simple and effective solution for this. Elements Wellness Daily Detox Capsules. Daily Detox is a wonderful mixture of different herbs, specially targeted at different organs of the body to help cleanse and detoxify, to strengthen you. Arjuna, Tulsi and Guduchi help strengthen cardiac functions. Punarnava and Varun are specialist herbs that improve functioning of the kidneys. Tulsi along with Amla, Neem and Bala reduce stress and help to take the toxins out from your brain. Guduchi combines with Neem, Tulsi and Amla to help pancreas produce more insulin. Kala Megh is a very powerful herb for the liver, and when combined with Bala and Neem, improves liver function and metabolism of what we eat. In general, all the herbs and elements wellness daily detox balance and maintain metabolism and excretory functions to help detoxification and a life full of inner cleanliness. Elements Wellness Daily Detox. Detox का रामबाण, कराए अंदर से स्नान.